Briefly demo here is EVMAuth running on Next.js. And as you'll see, we are both protecting a basic access page that requires ownership of token 0 and a premium access page that requires token 1. The data, which is very minimal, that flows into these pages once you have access are also protected. So the API endpoint for protected, again, protected by token 0 gating, and then for premium data, token 1. So right now I'm logged in here. The smart contract is running on Radius testnet. I have everything configured. So we're just going to see what happens when I try to access this basic tier here. And what's happening is EVMAuth is recognizing that I do not have the required token. So it's giving me the option to purchase one. I'm going to purchase it here. And very quickly we see purchase successfully. And now I'm redirected. So when I said very minimal data, this is what's actually coming back from that protected API endpoint. But this is just to show that we are now protecting access to this page and access to the API endpoint that's populating the data here with EVMAuth. So if I go back and forth, if I hop back over to home and go to protected, you'll see I maintain access. And as it says here, I believe the TTL on this is an hour. So I have access for about an hour. So now let's hop over to premium. And while I am authenticated with my wallet, I'm not yet authorized to access this page or the API endpoint behind it. So again, I need to go through this flow here, purchase the appropriate token. That transaction just succeeded, and I'm redirected. And again, this is all information from the protected API endpoint, and this is the protected premium page. To show you again, if I hop back to home, over to premium, to protected here, I maintain access, and you can see my wallet is connected. And real quick, if we jump into Radius testnet and refresh this quick, what we should see in this Explorer, and sure enough we do, here are the two transactions, one for the basic tier, one for the premium tier, and that proves that end to end, this system is actually working. So EVMAuth is working in a Next.js app, protecting both pages and API endpoints. Now, right now I have this set up attached to a private key I have set as an environment variable only for local demo purposes. In a future video, what I'll show is hooking this up to a wallet in a more secure fashion. And beyond that, this video has been briefly centered on a human-centric flow. What's coming up soon is we will be releasing an AI Agent Toolkit for EVMAuth, which makes it incredibly easy to provide your autonomous AI agents with the ability to attempt to access protected data, make purchasing decisions, purchase access, and then access that premium data. So yeah, this is just the beginning, but just a really basic demo to show you EVMAuth on Next.js.